Welcome to Europe Has Skills. Welcome to VirtualMasst, the alternative platform for freelancers. When we launched our first initiative of Europe Has Skills, the idea was very beautiful and hopeful as well. We wanted to spotlight talented people across Europe and ask the community, you home, to help them find their jobs. But we realized that really the truth is that no one cares about your unemployment, really, except the government. And if you are looking for work in ICT or STEM roles, because we decided to work for people in ICT and STEM, which is science, technology, mathematics, and those are the first category of the job you're going to spotlight, perhaps per region, job per country, job per sector, and why not per city. And if you are interested, you can send us your CV directly to us or register on VirtualMasst platform. The link is below or is on the screen. You can also connect to the platform. Also, we're going to look how AI can help you today as a job seeker. AI can help you rewrite your CV to fit specific roles. It can identify missing skills, error on your CV, and suggest what to correct and also what to learn. And it can also coach you for interviews. Generating cover letters, that is something that you know already. It also can alert you when a job appears that fits your profile. AI can help you search companies before applying. AI is becoming the new job search assistant. It is fast, efficient, and it is available 24/7. But don't trust AI blindly because AI is a tool, not a brain. It is not a mentor and it's not going to replace your judgment. It can help you rewrite your CV, but you must verify the information because you know what you did in the past in your career. It is not AI. It doesn't know what you did. So you need to put on your CV what you know. AI can also help you draft a cover letter, but you must add your voice. You don't your voice, your thoughts, whatever, your emotions as well in your letter. It can help you research a company, but you must decide if this company aligns with your goals, your values, your everything. So use AI as a baseline and use AI as a starting point, not the holy grail truth. So use AI to accelerate, not to replace your skills, because honestly, I think every employer needs to see your authenticity, and an employer or interviewer will feel the difference when they see your CV. They can spot on if it was AI or you. Now, which platform that can help you find a job? So you have ChatGPT. It's the strongest at this moment, we all know. You have also Copilot, but it can help you rewriting, tailoring, and also preparing your interview. You have many, many more platforms out there that can help you. You have a Kick Resume, which is a CV templates, AI writing, Resi, Resi is also what we can use. It is optimized CVs. Till HQ, it is also job tracking, AI resume tailoring, and a lot of more. If you are a freelancer, for freelancing emission, of course, VirtualMasst is not just another platform for freelancer site. It is also a mission-driven platform that we designed to help freelancers to find a job and also gain more than up to 95% of their earnings. We can help you find a job and mission. We are building VirtualMasst, a new platform for freelancers in Europe and algorithm free. But to move to a custom, robust version that can support freelancers across Europe, we need your help. Your contribution will allow us to build a stronger, scalable platform, improve features for freelancers and clients, and promote the platform across Europe. If you want to support, scan the QR code and donate what you can. Your help will directly shape the next version of this platform. Thank you very much. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to comment where you are. And if you're looking for a job, don't forget to register on the platform. If you're a freelancer, of course, register on the platform, on the VirtualMasst platform, and let us help you to find the job you're looking for. It's because we believe in Europe has a skills and opportunity, and we are going to try to help companies as well to find the talent they need. So companies, if you are looking for some talent and you have some openings, like jobs that are not, you are not finding the talent, share that with us. We will spotlight your jobs and trying to help you find the talent you need in Europe, not elsewhere, just Europe. Okay? Thank you so much, and see you next time in the next episode. In the meantime, stay tuned. Bye-bye.